now we are taking a tour of the Tower Studios. Over here, behind door number 1, this is actually the bed, which we'll go over and I'll show you next. But you have a little desk over here with your Keurig and your phone. Microwave over here. You got your TV, little TV stand. And your own little balcony over here. And then here is the bathroom. Got your sink here, toilet, walk-in shower. Has a little bench in there, you can kind of see it over there. Fairly small, but kind of cozy, I like it. Here's kind of the overall view of the room. And again, this does fold down and this is the bed. Alright, again, so here is the studio tower room with the bed down. Again, same room, same bathroom layout. But they had the bed down to show you guys. Here, let me back up just a little bit so you kind of get a view of the bed down. Some Peter Pan artwork up above the bed, excuse me. And over here, it looks like they have some Aristocats artwork up here on the wall. I'm really loving the artwork in this resort. It's very subtle, but it's got that Disney touch, as they always do. So, yeah, this is the excuse me, the Tower Studio with the bed down.